Folital review: does Folital really work? Folital supplement side effects. Folital is a nutritional supplement that claims to have a unique combination of 26 plant-based ingredients that work together to rescue damaged hair and prevent massive hair loss. The creators behind this advanced formula claim that they have only used the purest and high-quality ingredients to make a top-quality product. Moreover, its all-natural formula is designed to target the underlying cause of hair loss by eradicating harmful heavy metal substances. By doing this, Folital claims to provide full support to the body, protect hair follicles and prevent baldness or excessive hair loss. Notably, the formula stands out to be the best alternate solution for hair loss in the market. Product name: Folital Supplement. Category: Hair Restoration Supplement. Folital Ingredients: bentonite clay. Gluten-free. Folital side effects: no harmful side effects. Major benefits: prevent baldness and excessive hair loss. Folital is a nutritional supplement that is designed to help people in rescuing their damaged hair follicles, preventing massive hair loss, and adding volume to their hair. In a nutshell, it is one formula that mainly fights against almost all hair complications, which is why the formula stands out to be the best hair growth regimen in the market. Besides, its powerful and healthy formula is formulated using high-quality ingredients at FDA-approved and GMP-certified facilities. In particular, Folital has an advanced and unique formula that mainly targets the underlying cause of poor hair growth and fuller-looking hair. It is important to mention here that the Folital formula is based on the latest scientific research conducted by the National Library of Medicine and the National Journal of Trichology University. The lateral research concluded that our hair follicles are kept alive by a small yet crucial network of blood vessels and capillaries, as it is responsible for providing nourishment to hair cells and growth hormones. Once this network is blocked or capillaries become intoxicated with a special category of poisonous substances named heavy metals, mainly thallium, your hair cells become weaker, leading to massive hair fall. As a matter of fact, this heavy metal particle clogs into the main bloodstream to enter into the hair bulb and starts weakening it. For that purpose, this exceptionally unique and potent formula is designed that aims to exterminate the toxic thallium and provides essential micronutrients at the same time. By eradicating these two major complications, Folital supplement purportedly helps you to restart the hair follicle's neogenesis to restore healthy hair. Once you start taking this supplement, the fight against hair loss begins. As mentioned above, Folital tablets are rich in nutrients and contain special ingredients that help to jumpstart quick and healthy absorption in the body. These nutrients are added to this hair restoration formula for mainly two major purposes. This helps your body and hair follicles fully regrow your hair. The second purpose is to nourish your body with essential vitamins, minerals, and micronutrients to strengthen every hair follicle you have. Besides, all the ingredients used in Folital are 100% natural and have been selected due to their purity and efficacy, so your body can immediately start absorbing them. Please note that once your body starts absorption of powerful nutrients present in Folital tablets, your body kickstarts the healing process. By destroying these environmental toxins, mainly thallium, Folital enables your body to regrow your full hair. Interestingly, a study published in 2014 present in the National Library of Medicine shows that the heavy metal substances and high toxicity risk is the result of vitamin B deficiency. Moreover, this powerful formula helps to purify your bloodstream by flushing out heavy metals and strengthens your white cells so as to trigger your body to start sending more blood to your hair follicles. For that purpose, Folital supplement provides micronutrients to your scalp and ultra boosts your hair growth. Folital is a powerful dietary supplement to restore the healthy volume of hair. The supplement contains a healthy formula that is organically made from natural, mainly plant-based ingredients. To be more precise, it is a pure and healthy mixture of 29 naturally obtained ingredients that work in synergy to bring optimal results. In the Folital formula, the cherry-picked and top-quality ingredients are added that work together to regrow or restore hair growth in a matter of just a few weeks. All the ingredients such as herbal extract, minerals, vitamins, and naturally sourced nutrients are proven to prevent balding by stopping hair loss. Luckily, the company has also revealed the list of Folital ingredients, so may recheck the list for your health safety before buying this dietary supplement. It also helps to strengthen the connection between your hair follicles and blood vessels. The dietary aid provides plenty of nutrients to hair follicles to have improved hair growth. The powerful formula provides a shield to protect your hair follicles due to aging or nutrient deficiencies. It contains 100% pure and natural formula to protect hair follicles, prevent extreme hair loss, and most importantly promote healthy hair growth. In addition to this, the official sales page of Folital supplement has marketed the supplement as 100% pure and risk-free, leaving zero side effects. The Folital formula is designed for adults, 18+. The use of Folital supplement is not recommended for children's hair problems. On top of that, he is running exclusive discount offers just to celebrate the massive success of his tropical secret formula. And the powerful formula of Folital is designed to get rid of thallium and covers all deficiencies in the body, which is why the formula is effective for everyone, including you as well. So, try this alternative method of restoring hair growth. If you feel this video can help someone, please like, comment, and share this video. Thanks for watching it.